So we're fishing the Henry Fork in Idaho. It's a really good place to fish. My sister has caught so much fish here. So has my dad.
Okay, back up one more.
And right there is the end of the Buffalo River. Yeah, that's on the highway on the way here. And yeah, that's what's going on today. And tomorrow we're gonna be fishing as well. But we're going to a different lake. And that's gonna be really fun. Like and subscribe. Once you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make it yell for mommy.
You watch way too much YouTube, dude.
Go on!
Yep.
My sister caught her fish!
Swing him over here.
Look at that stinker. Look at that stinker. Dad, let me see it with the GoPro. Yes, this video is sponsored by Stanley. Look at that little trout. He's so cute. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's an otter. You guys probably can't see it. Sorry. Hello everybody. There is a little waterfall right there. Let me get a better view.
You must be.
Yeah, so we're about halfway done, or I suppose.
It reels like this.
And yeah, and
Now
here's a
it's
water ball.
like my pinky over it.
Cool beans. And hey, you guys get a really lucky shot. I just learned that this GoPro is waterproof. So I'm just gonna stick it into the water. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys see any fishies, comment I heart fishies with red hearts. Do you guys want to see underwater again? Alright, subscribe if you see SpongeBob. If you saw SpongeBob, you better subscribe. Hey guys, it's day 2 of fishing, and Andy just caught a fish.
On the blob.
On the blob! Dad caught a fish. Look at that cute little trout. Nice. Dad caught another fish. Andy! See if you can see the fishy.
Dog's cute.
Comment red hearts if you see fishy. Also, if you love Ronaldo, subscribe. You better subscribe, or else I'll be coming for you. I love you, Mommy. Andy caught a trout.
No!
Ah!
Okay.
It broke off.
Do we count that?
Yes, we do. Okay, get back out there.
Depression.
Yeah, that's it. Leave it too flat.
Andy caught the first rainbow trout. Is that right, Dad?
That's the second one we got on.
I meant second. Oh, that looked cool. Andy, let's see him.
Nice.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hey, I caught a big white fish with this rod that I made. Yeah, that was pretty amazing. I mean, like, this boat that we were in is really nice. That right there is the chair that I caught it in. Yes, Dad, I am sharing this with the world. I was just sitting right here. The rod was sticking out right there. The string was all the way into the water. Then I just like felt a tug on my string and it was a fish. And then I caught it.